Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are at Durham Regatta. Just a couple of cars have just turned up. There's the Triumph Stag, which is running absolutely beautifully at the moment. So what I'm going to do is, when more cars pull in, I'm going to take you around the show. We're in stunning grounds here in Durham. Beautiful day. Again, every single classic car show I've been to this year, the weather's been absolutely beautiful. Right guys, I'm going to take you around this quite quick here at Durham Regatta. There's my beautiful stag. Absolutely gorgeous day today.
As of next year, they know more.
Just go around these quickly, and I'll go back to the cars that I really like. You know the score by now. I'll do these videos, and then I'll judge, my personal opinion, which one's the best car here. It's well sorted. TR2. Seen one of them for a while. Hydromatic suspension. Jeez, look at the size of this puppy. Look at the size of this thing. My God. You could put a swimming pool in the back of that. Fair lane. Gorgeous day here. It's quite early, it's 10:30 in the morning. We've got a TR6. It's quite nice. I said I was flirting with one of these, but I just can't fit in them. Looks like it's a royal blue. It's on a J, so it's a 71, is it? Yeah, 71. Capri Laser. Then we have a Carmen Gear Volkswagen. It's left hooker, left hand drive. Quite a rare car, them. Land Crab Wolseley. It's probably an 1800 or a 22. Console. That's another one. It's that Mitsubishi. There's that gorgeous Range Rover. That's well sorted. Moggy. Triumph Stag. Really like that R535S. Right guys, next to my Triumph Stag we have a gorgeous MG. It's a lovely colour.
But it's the quieter day today though, isn't it?
Of the interior.
Oh Yes, I saw them come in.
It's a beautiful colour, that.
Yeah, I wonder why. That's pretty nice. Yeah. Make them look more.
Yeah, it's an MGB.
You need to brought the other car to sell. Yeah, has it got for sale since I done?
Right guys, we have an MGA here, 1500. It's on 1959. Look at this, it's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. So it smells very nice for now. So you find something to roll in.
Good, yeah. Yeah, I was hoping.
Old English white? Yeah, thought it was. Yeah, that is stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. Look at those wheels. There's no rust on them. I can see what he does on a Sunday. Ah, look at that, guys. Just a labour of love in there. I think he even polishes the brake pipes. Stunning. Nice little 1500 lump. These cars are so basic to work on. Rover P6 V8. It's a very light green. I kind of like that colour. It's like a grey green. It's a 3.5S. That's in really nice condition. I have got a soft touch for these now. They're really growing on me. With me working on that 2200 TC. Next to it we've got a 230A Mercedes. Next to that we've got a Cortina Estate. Check that out, guys. The GT, that's really nice condition. That's really nice. It's like a British racing green.
When I was a kid, I like these, man. Yeah, all right.
So guys, we've got an MGB GT on an L, that'll be a 73. The C on that plate is 1965, is it, or 66? So that's in really nice condition. Then we've got a Vogue, a Singer Vogue. I've seen one of them for a while. Looks a bit like a Humber Scepter.
Yeah, my dad used to get this when I was a kid.
Yeah, it's in really nice condition.
Keep us quiet in the back of the car. So I learned
Very nice.
You here. I think it's
Just look in there, guys. Nice 2.8 Capri. It's in really nice condition. Wow, check this out, guys. This is a minter. Well sorted. Very nice. Absolutely gorgeous Range Rover. I really like these. These are probably my favourite Range Rover. That'd be worth a fortune. Class.
Engine.
Check this out, guys.
Chrome alternator stuff. But
in fact, this is probably the winner.
get the thing to do, you know. But my wife keeps saying.
This is in really good condition, guys. Beautiful.
Seats are through.
Carmen gear. They're very rare. It's a nice nick, that console. State. And then we've got another console here. Right guys, we've got a nice Citroen here with hydromatic suspension. Dementor. Absolutely gorgeous. Hydromatic suspension, hydraulic. Look at this little darling here. She's a beauty. Stunning. These cars are just so sexy. Lush. And the clock works. Beautiful condition. Well, this is the star of the show. There's not many here, with it just being a regatta. But for me, this is the winning show. Star of the show is this gorgeous E-Type. Right, this is the runner-up. This Range Rover. I absolutely love this thing. That is super cool. Well, it's been an absolutely fantastic day. The sun's shining, it's so warm. It's time to wrap up shortly. The next classic car show, I'm not sure what it was. I was really wanting to go to Stokesley, but the band's got a big gig over at Preston. It's a posh wedding we're doing, so we'll be going to that. Remember, the V12 band b12band.com. Check us out. You'll see us. But it's been an absolutely gorgeous day today. Some nice cars. My favourite was probably the 2-door Range Rover. Absolutely fantastic car. But anyway, see you guys shortly. Remember, see you.